So here we have an interesting situation where we need to find the squares of these numbers. Let us find it out. Do we know the square of 6? Yes, the square of 6 is 36. It's known to everybody. But can we find the square of 66 without using any calculator? Yes, there is a trick for that. What is the square of 6? The square of 6 is 36. So we will write it like this, and then we will count the number of 6 in this. There are 2 6 over here. Just reduce it by 1. So we are left with 1. So we will write a number which is more than 3 once and number less than 6 once. So this is the square of 66. You can even use the calculator to check it. Let us use the same concept for 666. The square of 6 is 36. How many 6 are there? There are 3 6. Let us reduce 1. We are left with 2. So we will write a number which is greater than 3 2 times and a number which is less than 6 2 times again. Now can you get me the answer for this? Please write it in the comment box. I'll be waiting for it. And if you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.